So we're unboxing the DREO Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier today. And let's see what exactly comes in this box. At the top we have a nice little user manual with instructions on how to use the machine. A little cleaning brush and some pads which can be used for oil diffusing. This is really well packed and nicely protected. This humidifier can be filled with up to 3 liters of water. It's really nice, really compact, great for use in smaller rooms like a baby room or a nursery, which is where I am planning on using it. Nice clear instructions there as to how it's working. And at the back, this is where we put our essential oils. Just pull that out. You have a little pad, you put a few drops and pop it back in nice and easy. So our lid also comes off really nice and easily. We've got the nozzle you can turn around depending on where you want the steam to go. And to remove our tank for filling, you just simply lift it up. You have our base here at the bottom, and when popping back on, just ensure that it is well in place with the 2 arrows lining up. Now, when setting up, just make sure that everything is in place. So we have this tray here at the bottom that just easily slots in there. The hole is matching up and you pop it back on. Lid, and now it's ready to use.